With more and more investors plunging into the realm of cryptocurrencies, the stratospheric surge in the value of Bitcoin in the last year or so has greatly accelerated the flow of money into altcoins. Cardano is one of the cryptocurrencies that has greatly benefited from this. Cardano is a groundbreaking blockchain technology that symbolizes the future of a secure, long-lasting blockchain with innovative applications. Cardano has the ability to move power from unaccountable systems to the margins. The platform is considered a third-generation cryptocurrency. It builds on the efforts of Bitcoin and Ethereum while striving to be more long-term and scalable, making it more environmentally friendly as well as speedier and more secure. Cardano is based on a decentralized public ledger that functions as its continuous receipt. Blockchain administers and monitors the cryptocurrency, documenting and arranging every transaction that occurs within it. This decentralized mechanism validates transactions, checks their integrity, and aids in the overall stability and error-free operation of the system. ADA uses a proof-of-stake method, which entrusts currency owners to verify transactions in exchange for a reward. This staking return might be an intriguing way to generate money, and the best crypto exchanges allow you to stake for free or for a little fee. Cardano made major headlines in the market after its launch in September 2017 with the venture's co-founders Jeremy Wood and Charles Hoskinson, who had previously worked on the Ethereum project, giving the project much-needed publicity. The project's initial coin offering raised a total of $62 million from a global audience of investors. The funds were put to good use in the ADA setup, which gave the Cardano ecosystem a lot of new features. The platform introduced smart contracts, which allows clients to set payment conditions within the ecosystem. This was a big step forward because most blockchain applications rely on smart contracts to function, as evidenced by the fact that Ethereum's platform is now used in over 3,000 decentralized applications. This accounts for nearly around 80% of the application market and has many potential applications in a variety of industries in the future. Cardano's new consensus mechanism is another noteworthy feature. Ouroboros is a POS protocol based on a chain that requires blocks to be approved by leaders chosen at random. Like other blockchains, the node that uploads the next block gets rewarded for its efforts. To track transactions and store data, Cardano employs a multi-layer blockchain. The layers in Cardano allow it to process transactions faster than many other digital currencies. Cardano's third phase of development is dubbed Basho, and it promises to provide significant improvements to the ADA network, such as scalability and the capacity to work with other blockchains in addition to its own. In terms of scalability, Cardano will be able to handle millions of crypto transactions per second once Basho is completely deployed. Currently, Solana is one of the most popular blockchain networks. However, it can only process 50,000 transactions per second. Even with Ethereum's ETH 2.0 enhancements, it is still able to process roughly 100,000 TPS, giving Cardano the upper hand in this regard. The other important development for Cardano is its interoperability across other blockchains. Cardano will be able to communicate with other blockchains and transport digital assets, NFTs, smart contracts, and more between networks once Basho is completely implemented. To transport transactions over multiple networks, most blockchains require clumsy bridge modifications, which are being built in the Cardano ecosystem. Price prediction. Charles Hoskinson revealed the Alonzo hard fork in August 2021, prompting Cardano's price to skyrocket, increasing 116% in the following month. The Cardano Alonzo hard fork went live on September 12, 2021, bringing smart contract features to the blockchain. In the first 24 hours after the launch, over 100 smart contracts were implemented in the system. However, prior to the launch, the Cardano price surpassed $3 and reached an all-time high of $3.101 on September 2, 2021. However, since then, the market has experienced a tremendous downturn, and Cardano's price has dropped significantly. With a 24-hour trading volume of $1,328,090,122 in USD and a live market cap of $36,421,000,000, $516,908 in US dollars. It is now priced around $1.05 in USD. There are 33,592,646,022 ADA coins in circulation, with a maximum supply of 45 billion ADA coins. Different agricultural organizations are using Cardano to track fresh fruit from farm to fork, while other solutions created on the platform enable for tamper-proof storage of educational credentials and shops to combat counterfeit items. The Cardano blockchain is also being used to validate pharmaceutical products, which reduces the danger of purchasing fake drugs. In third-world countries, it can also be used to keep track of people's identities and demonstrate their creditworthiness. With so many incredible use cases and solid fundamentals, the price is predicted to rise as BTC stabilizes and crosses the ATH, reaching $5 by the end of 2022. ADA can easily be purchased on a number of popular cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, OKX, BitGet, BitCoke, and FTX. This is not financial advice, and the video is meant for educational purposes only. Do your own research. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of our next videos, and I'll see you in the next one.